Hello guys, so a break from my DIY koi pond and back to my wine making for the winter. And today I have an update on my DIY red wine filtration system, which I have right here. So as some of you guys suggested it last year to reconfigure my filtration system. So as you can see, if you've seen my last year video, this year is a bit different. So I turned the pump right side up this time, and the input, the pump will suck the wine through the canisters and output to the output directly to the bottle. So hopefully this will reduce the air during the filtration. So we're gonna try it with I'm gonna run this one-step sanitizer through the system to clean it. Okay, and with this new configuration, let's see if it will work. But it's coming through. For canister number 2 now. Pump the rest of the sanitizer through the system. Canister 2, canister 1, going down slowly. Let's see what sucks all the fluid through. That's it. That's all the pump can pour out from the canister. Okay, by the way, so over here I have a 30 micron. Here is that 5 micron. So I'm gonna empty these, rinse it out, and we start the filtration with these 2 cardboards I have over here. There's a little bit of sugar residues inside here, which I want to keep it as it is, just to get a little bit of sweetness in my wine. So I'm gonna filter all the yeast out, so for the purpose of stopping the further fermentation. I'll see if that will work, because this year the weather kind of warmer, and the fermentation finished quite earlier than I expected. But I still have a little bit of sugar inside these 2 bottles, so I'm gonna try to keep that. First of all, I'm gonna rinse out the system. I'll be right back. All right, now I have the system rinsed out. So as much as I could without the sterilizer, sanitizer removed. So I'm gonna start with this cardboard first. We got this wrecking cane with the screen filter at the bottom there. Let's start with this one first. All right. Now the first little while, I'll see the leftover sanitizer will come out. I'm gonna put here first. Then I'm gonna transfer to that Amazon right there. I need some paper towel ready here. Okay. So I have some Y coming through now. I'll take that one out. All right, put into the Demajon. System. Well, I think this configuration is worse than the last one. I can see a lot of air bubble inside the system here. Well, and that won't be good. Do it again. Well, I think I will have to reverse this modification because I think I'm getting more air in my Y than the previous one. So I think I'm gonna go back to the previous configuration and do it again. Alright, now it's back to the original designs. So the pump, I'm gonna draw the Y directly from the carboy into the pump and out to the canister, 1 and then 2, then out to this demijohn. So I think with this original design will have less air inside the system. Okay, let's try again. So as you can see, with this original design, it produces less air bubble in the system, and the pump doesn't work as hard as in the modification to have the pump after the filter cartridges. So let's try again. Alright, I think I've learned that I put the hose close to the sidewall of the carboy would reduce air bubble. Okay guys, so that's it. There you have it. I think that modification to have the pump after the filter cartridges didn't work out well, so that's why I switched back to the original design. The pump, I'm gonna put a wire through first, then to the filter. So basically the pump will be before the filter cartridges. That will work more efficiently. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any other suggestions and comments, please leave it down below. Thank you, and see you. Bye bye.